The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
For this, but it's just the truth. You know why you can never find out when a woman cheat? Hello, listen to me. She a cheat, but you just not go find out. Don't get me wrong, loyal woman out there, but woman cheat, but you just not go find out. I'm gonna tell you the secrets. Poops, look on this. Me as a woman right now, me a cheat with a man. You know some say, brother, me leave up my man. Don't call my phone, don't text my phone. Me will do the calling, me will do the texting, me will do the link up, me will do all of that. A man, I go obey. Him I go obey, him nah go do it. Especially if he rate the woman pan a level and she give him the good. Him nah go do it. But yes, when a man cheat now, I out there with a woman, my mind me just tell you no say no. A woman do the thing. And next the woman I go want call you. And the other woman I go want text you. And you ever wonder? I always run when you run on the next woman. When you run on the personal woman, the side chick them want call. You ever miss it? There's no time in a life you can free and alone the whole day. Minute a woman come home, your side chick text. And most of the time, woman cheat with man to make other woman vex. Like a girl who knows me and a boy there, you know. And she don't even like the boy. But just because she knows say me and him there and she not like me, she f him just to prove say she can't f my man. That is why man always get caught cheating. Because woman love competition. Woman love go against other woman. Woman just love have the idea say yo me can't f. A man we have and bun sleep with and drink rum with you we not know. Cause a man is very secretive. Me tell you not tell my man, I make my man find out. You're not gonna make my man find out. I tell a man. This is why you will never find out if a woman cheat, dog. And if you have a loyal woman, bless her. Me I tell you the truth. Yeah, woman not the way loyal, don't get me wrong. But if a woman not cheat, nobody worry yourself. Nobody travel with your Bible in your back pocket. Cause you can't know unless she tell you. You cannot know. Cause we even leave trace now. We delete car, we delete text, we delete everything. Uno man, uno just always a left a little piece of something. Always a left a little piece of something. Jesus! Uno have to do better, uno have to know for cheat. And this is it too with uno man. Sometimes uno remember uno lie. Jesus Christ, man! Woman a investigator and I don't know why all of them not turn police, you know, brother. You can't tell a woman something 6 years ago and they remember. You tell them, wait, where did tell me? Yeah man, I say go. Fellas, believe me, when you feel like you can't cheat and slick, trust me, woman better down and just never go find out. Never. And that's just fact.
Viewers and subscribers, is a female said the things in the video that I just presented to you, not a man. Is a female said the things that you heard in the video that I just presented to you. She said some things that gave me the understanding that she's pointing out that a man will not find out when his woman is cheating on him, but a female will find out when a man cheats on her. What an interesting topic, eh? This female in the video that I just presented to you just might have revealed some things to some persons out there, you know. You see? But you see, me Dancehall skilla. If I'm in a relationship with a woman and she's cheating on me, me not gonna send up my blood pressure over that, you know. No, sir, me not gonna send up my blood pressure over that situation. You see, it's her body. She choose what she wants to do with her body. I don't want nobody. See, I don't want no woman. So if a woman cheat on me, I wish her good luck. My best advice when it comes on to man and woman relationships, always be honest. That's it. Always be honest. Just make it be clear the type of person you are to the person you're going to get involved with. That's all you have to do. That's it. It's simple as that. So if the person accepts you, the person accepts you. If the person don't accept you, then just move on. You see? Anyways, Let me know what you think about some of the things that the female said in this video, or everything that the female said in this video that I just presented to you. You see? Yeah. Let me know if you agree or if you disagree with the things that she said. Alright? Alright, now, pardon my manners, big up and respect to each and every one. My name is Dancehall Skilla. I have one more video I'm going to present to you. The next video I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, this video has been recorded within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. According to some things that have been said on social media about this video that I'm about to present to you, it is said that this video shows persons carrying guns and they entered a building that is located somewhere within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. Allegedly, it is said that they were looking for someone. Now, at least 4 of those persons shown in the video was wearing clothing that are said to be soldier and police uniforms from within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. However, comments had been made on social media about persons shown in the video wearing sneakers while wearing clothing that are said to be soldier and police uniforms from within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. The video also shows a date. Allegedly, that's when the incident happened, viewers and subscribers. Alright? Now, I want you, my viewers and subscribers, to take a look at this video and tell me if you think those persons are law enforcers from within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. Because comments have been made on social media about the video that gave me the understanding that some persons are wondering if those persons are law enforcers from within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. See? Now, before I present the video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look.
I understand that, but this has never happened before, and I am.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, I don't think those persons are any law enforcers from within the country of Trinidad and Tobago. No, I don't think so, you see? I know I might be wrong, but I tell you straight up and down, I don't think so, viewers and subscribers. Because here, why now, see? Person shown in the video wears sneakers while wearing clothing that are said to be law enforcers' clothing from within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. Like, for real? Like, that not look proper to me, viewers and subscribers. See? So, me not think so, you know. Me know I might be wrong, you know, but me just tell you what I think, you see? You see? You know? You know, may I tell you, some crazy things are happening all over the world, yeah, viewers and subscribers. Anyways, a year or so, I go left it, you know, big up and respect to each and every one. You don't know me Dancehall Skilla. I'm only there to keep you up to date and post it and let you know what's going on, alright? Let me know what you think about the videos that I presented to you in this video, and until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Alright? Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Gonna big up on yourself. You see?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.